In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best door levers in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which door levers is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, KNOBWELL 10-pack oil rubbed. Very easy setup, install your lock set instantly. All you require is a door as well as a device collection. No demand for specialist door fitters, you can do it on your own. Personal privacy function, the door lever can be secured inside and opened outside in an emergency without secrets. Use it for your guest rooms, bedrooms, bathrooms, indoor locking doors, and various other personal privacy needs. Product: zinc alloy, finished shade, oil rubbed bronze. Quality is built-in, the solid zinc alloy and brass, smooth coating, sleek appearance as well as substantial. The easy-to-grasp lever will discreetly raise and improve industrial locations or houses alike. Wave layout: it's not just a door bar, it's a statement piece. These lovely bars without any sticking out flanges, screws, or rough sides make the sure completely secure, and also a simple procedure, are sure to add a touch of sophistication to your residence. KNOBWELL door levers are proof positive that fashion and also features can peacefully and magnificently coexist. From ageless sophistication to striking modernity, our levers fit and accentuate virtually any type of design. Naturally, they're additionally created, crafted, and also evaluated to ensure resilience. Our Costs Quality Wave-style door lever is an excellent ornamental device, skillfully created to perfectly match a wide range of contemporary and modern-day domestic, as well as industrial indoor doors. Here is the item number 4, Probrico bed door levers. Product: stainless steel, satin nickel end-up, modern wave-style personal privacy levers. The square plate of the lock is unremovable. 10-pack per plan for 10 doors, personal privacy door levers with contemporary nickel surface for bathroom or bedroom door. Validate with ANSI Grade 3, goes beyond 200,000 cycles. Personal privacy feature without keys, the lock bolt can be locked by the thumb turn button on the inside bar. An emergency release device can open the door from the exterior. Steel adjustable latch. It has a flexible universal lock 2 to 3, 8-inch or 2 to 3, 4, fits doors 1 to 1, 4 inches to 1 to 3, 4 inch. Easy installment, easy to install with all devices included. The easy setup produces a one-person job. It fits both right and left managed doors. All you need is a door as well as a screwdriver. No demand for professional door fitters, it is ideal for do-it-yourself. Company internal structure: all steel chassis for toughness and also resilience. Reinforced springs make certain that the lever remains level gradually. Square edge, non-removable plate. The item number 3, KNOBWELL 6-pack door handles. Simple setup: mount your lock set in a flash. All you need is a door and a tool set. No need for professional door fitters, you can do it yourself. Privacy function: the door bar can be locked inside and also opened outside in an emergency without secrets. Use it for your guest rooms, bedrooms, washrooms, indoor securing doors, and other personal privacy demands. Product: zinc alloy, finished shade, matte black. One size fits a lot of. This black door bar fits 1 to 3 or 8-inch to 1 to 3 or 4 doors. Relatively easy to fix for both left-handed and also ideal-handed doors. Heavy duty: the solid zinc alloy and brass, smooth coating, refined look as well as considerable. The easy-to-grasp bar will discreetly elevate and also improve commercial areas or houses alike. Standard style: it's not simply a door lever, it's a declaration piece. These beautiful levers without extending flanges, screws, or harsh sides guarantees entirely safe and very easy operation. Make sure to include a touch of class to your house. KNOBWELL door bars are proof positive that fashion and also function can quietly, as well as wonderfully coexist. From timeless beauty to striking modernity, our bars fit as well as accentuate essentially any decor. Normally, they're likewise developed, crafted as well as checked to make sure longevity. Number 2 on our list, Schlage F10 LAT 622 Latitude. Optimal use. Passage function is ideal for use on the indoor hall as well as closet doors where locking is not required or coupled with a deadbolt on exterior doors. Door take care of is non-locking for simplicity of entrance. Simple setup, self-aligning screw openings make installment easy. Whatever included upgrading existing single-berthed opening doors on your own in minutes with only a screwdriver. Fits both rights as well as left-handed doors. Licensed highest longevity, premium steel construction, as well as quality craftsmanship for everyday stamina, as well as assurance. Grade 2 or AAA certified BHMA rating for safety, longevity, and end-up. Non-locking interior for use on hall or closet doors. Steel construction includes stamina, security, and also longevity. Adjusts to fit all conventional door preparations. Easy installation, just a screwdriver is required. Can also be coupled with a keypad deadbolt on exterior doors. For greater than 100 years, Schlage has actually been turning residences right into havens. That's why we make unique door equipment that's not just created to match your personal style, but to likewise shield what matters most. Choose from high-grade interior door knobs and also levers in a variety of features, as well as trust your residence to Schlage. Schlage thinks that the ending-up touch is equally as vital as the initial. The top one in our list, Schlage F10 ACC 619 Accent Hall. Constantly unlocked for simplicity of entrance to wardrobe or corridor doors. The reversible bar collaborates with the right as well as left swing doors. Self-aligning screw holes make installation easy as well as easy with just a Phillips screwdriver. The Schlage Accent Lever Hall, as well as wardrobe secure bright brass, is excellent for usage on doors where locking is not required. The accent bar is widely popular for its classy wave-like layout that easily matches a room's style without eclipsing it, as well as looks specifically classic when ended up in bright brass. And also, it's been developed and also examined with stamina and durability in mind. Safety and security, simpleness, design. Schlage thinks that the ending-up touch is just as important as the initial. Counted on over 40 million residences, we develop elegant, innovative items to help keep your house protected. From classic chic to bold modern styles, our levers fit and accentuate practically any decor. That implies we're opening a whole lot more than just doors. Accent lever, commonly preferred for its sophisticated wave-like design, the accent bar easily matches an area's style without overshadowing it. Protection and toughness, highest property protection and toughness rating, cost steel building, and check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best door levers amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.